Hello, welcome to my channel, Manifesting with Mama Muchka. Hi, my name is Rachel. In this video, I would like to talk about how to get people obsessed with you or any specific person to get obsessed with you. And it's not doing affirmations that they're obsessed with me. They're obsessed with me, they're obsessed with me, because those can work. And I've heard stories of people where it's almost worked too well, and then they actually got like people, they had very bad situations go on. So, not saying that won't work, but the best way to do it is become obsessed with yourself. Hands down, start becoming obsessed with yourself. It's so love yourself, self love, lots of self love, loving yourself, putting yourself first, prioritizing yourself. Mirror work. I do mirror work in front of the mirror in my bathroom about, telling me, loving myself, giving myself compliments in the shower, feeling my body as I'm washing my body, and just loving, falling in love with the shape of me, my body, everything about me, loving all of my body as I get older, loving my wrinkles, loving my wrinkles. It's me. It's all a part of me. Who cares? Who cares? I'm still beautiful. Even though I got wrinkles, I'm still beautiful. I'm a mother of 3 children. I'm in my 40s. I'm still beautiful. So, and if I feel beautiful, and you do, as you become, you will feel beautiful. Doing this, complimenting yourself, or say you're handsome. If you're a guy, I'm so handsome. Just over and over, and in the mirror, I love myself. I'm so handsome. You start becoming magnetic and radiant. You do. And I've had compliments at work. People literally saying, "Wow, you're glowing." And they're drawn to me. I'm seeing people drawn to me in my reality, like literally. Then even my person is more drawn to me than ever before. I feel like rewind a few years ago, I was doing all the chasing, low self-esteem, low self-worth, not confident. I did all the chasing. I felt guilty for being a single mom. And I'm like, why would he even date me? Because I'm a single mom, blah, 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 and I'm divorced. All these stories in my head. And I did all the 98% of the chasing, the texting, the calling, the dates, all of it. I did all the work. He didn't have to do anything. It's like, no wonder that old story didn't work and it ended up ending, amongst other things I've talked about on this channel, along with my fears and all that I've taken care of. Things are different now. He actually reaches out to me now. I would say it's probably like an 80-20. He's reaching out to me. And I don't set things up. He sets things up now, not me. So I let him set dates up. I won't go there. I mean, maybe I will at some point, but I'm like, no, let him. I will text it. Like I said, it's probably like a 80-20, and I'm doing about 20% reaching out on texts. But I don't care as much anymore. That's another thing. When you really start loving yourself and you really start putting yourself first and like really falling in love with your hobbies, your activities, your life, your friends, your family, you don't, because I've always been like I have a lot of hobbies, but I was so in lack of love, of self-love, and trying to get love from men out there that I didn't, I avoided myself and didn't, I put off activities that I've wanted to do for years. And I'm I'm loving doing this channel. I am. I'm really enjoying doing this. I've wanted to do a YouTube channel for a long time. Maybe I will do at some point, do another channel, but I wanted to do a mom channel on like money and stuff. But I don't know, I just never got the drive and the confidence to do it. But I really like this topic. I really like I'm hoping I'm helping. I know I'm helping. Not I'm hoping. I know I'm helping people. Maybe I'm not helping everyone. Maybe I'm not everyone's cup of tea. But I know I'm helping people out there, sharing tips in my story and things I've done to get through things. So, and then I'm working. I started in January. I started a new hobby which I'm going to turn into something, an adventure, an adventure thingy. I don't know. I'll talk about it at some point. I don't want to talk about it right now. But I've been really focused on that too. And it's helped my own happiness. Like really working on me, really becoming my own best friend. And with all of this, with really focusing on myself, putting myself first, becoming obsessed with myself, I don't have the need to hear from while, as the relationship's moving along. If I don't hear from them for a day or two, I don't care. I literally don't care. It's where before I had huge anxiety, and that's probably why I reached out 98% of the time, because I couldn't go. It's like I needed that validation every day that he was there. But he is there. We actually did this like a month ago. We went like a week without talking over something, and it didn't bother me. It did not bother me at all. So, but as because I do want to have definitely a more solid move on from dating onto a more solid relationship. And while that's all slowly, which I'm fine because I want things to go slowly, because I want a good, healthy relationship. So I'm not looking for who always wins the race, the turtle, right? Not the rabbit, but the turtle. So I know some people out there, they want things now. I'm going slow. My journey's been slow, and I'm doing it on purpose because I want a nice, healthy, good, solid foundation relationship. And while things are going slowly, I am loving myself, putting myself first, enjoying my hobbies. I love book reading, so I've been catching up on books because you know what? Before long, life goes so fast. Before long, I will be spending a lot more time. We'll be in that really solid, committed relationship and spending more time, more than ever, and going on vacations together and doing this and that. And I might not have as much time to read that book and do this and that. So, I'm like, really focus on myself here. And I'm enjoying it. I'm falling in love with myself. I am. And it is. It's radiating out. People are noticing it at work. Has he made any comments? He hasn't made any comments. He has said that that I seem really happy. He has made those comments. He's like, yeah, you're just so happy now. So he has said that. And then like, yeah, it's like I feel like he's just, it feels different this time. Like I feel the dynamic's different between me and him. It just is. So this is a video to encourage you to put yourself first, fall in love with yourself, become obsessed with yourself. People are a mirror reflection of you. It will reflect out. If you can't stop thinking about you, then they can't stop thinking about you. It's law. It is. But if you're focused on them and you can't stop thinking of them, then they're going to think of them. So, I know it's a paradoxical thing and it took me a while to get there, but I'm happy I did, and I'm here to tell you that I'm seeing the flip. I'm seeing the energy flip. I'm seeing him pursuing me now. I'm seeing him prioritize me now as I prioritize myself, put myself first, and become obsessed and love myself. So, all right. Hope that's helpful. And I'll talk to y'all later. All right. Bye.